welcome back to our English class. So what did we learn in our previous class? We learned a nice poem called My School. So here we learned about a poem called My School, which is written by Martin Desznicki. So this poem tells us why the poet loves his school, what all he does in his school. So we have already learned this poem. I hope you have read it and recited it well. So we have also learned the new words. So today we are going to move to the second part of the exercise, that is answer the following questions. So how many questions do we have? We have 5 questions. So let's see the answers for these questions. What are the questions? Let's see. How much time does the poet spend in school? How many activities are there in his school? What does he learn in math class? What do the words "I can nearly touch that basketball rim" tell us about the poet? What does he enjoy learning? So here are the answers. Let's look at these answers. First question is, how much time does the poet spend in school? The poet spends most part of his day in school. The poet spends most part of his day in school. Second one is, how many activities are there in his school? There are countless activities held each day in his school. There are countless activities held each day in his school. What does he learn in math class? He learns to add and subtract numbers. He also learns multiplication table in math class. The next one is, what do the words "I can nearly touch that basketball rim" tell us about the poem? One of his favorite classes is gym. He does physical exercises which help him a lot. Now he has grown so tall that he can nearly touch that basketball rim. Last question is, what does he enjoy learning? He enjoys learning difficult words to spell. He enjoys learning difficult words to spell. Now let's move to the third question, that is select the correct option from the brackets and fill in the blanks. So we have 3 sentences in which some words are missing. We have some options here. We need to select and write the correct option here. The poet uses dash for arts and craft. What does he use for art and craft? He uses glue. One of the poet's favorite classes what? Gym. The poet's ears are programmed for the school bell. If you have read this poem, then you can answer these questions and this fill in the blanks question easily. Now, use the following words to make meaningful sentences, and the words are countless, absolute and excited. Let's see the sentences. First one is countless. There are countless stars in the sky. There are countless stars in the sky. Absolute. Honesty is the best policy is the absolute fact. Excited. Children of standard 3 are excited to go on a pic at their favorite spot. So now let's move to the activity language development part. Here, see here, add ER or OR to complete these spellings. Read the new words. We have some words here which are incomplete. We need to complete these words by adding ER or OR to these words. When you add ER or OR to these words, you get a new word. For example, RULER, ruler. DOCTOR, doctor. Now let's see the new words here. See here, these are the new words. Can you see? Ruler, doctor, razor, stronger, father, spider, actor. Again there is a spider, then winter, sailor, tailor, and emperor. Okay, so this is the words that we got by adding er or or. So now let's move to the next one. Read the paragraph given below, answer the following, answer the questions. So this paragraph is about Anil Kumble. If you are a cricket fan, then you must be knowing who this boy is. He is Anil Kumble. Let's read more about him. Anil Kumble was born on October 17, 1970 in Bangalore. He completed his school and college studies in Bangalore. He is a qualified mechanical engineer. See, he is not only a cricketer, he is a qualified mechanical engineer also. He began playing cricket in the streets of Baswangudi in Bangalore. Later, he joined the Young Cricketers Club. He started playing first class cricket in 1989. He played the first test match in 1990. He is considered one of the best bowlers. He has taken 619 test wickets, the third highest in test history. In 1999, he set a new world record by taking all 10 wickets in a single inning against Pakistan. What an achievement by an Indian cricketer. He has been honored with the Arjun Award and the Padma Shri Award by the Government of India. The Government of Karnataka has honored him by naming a traffic island in Bangalore as Anil Kumble Circle. Anil Kumble served as the captain of the Indian Test team before he retired. He lives in Bangalore with his family. So this was about the passage which is about Anil Kumble. So we have learned much about him. So see here, answer the following questions orally. This one you don't have to write, you just have to answer by yourself. Where did Anil first start playing cricket? When did Anil play his first test match? Where does Anil Kumble live now? Name other cricketers who are also from Karnataka. So you need to answer this orally. Since you cannot answer this orally right now because you are not in class, so you can take it as homework. Okay? Answers are here itself. So now, answer the following questions. This one we have to write. Which club did Anil go? What has Anil Kumble studied? Name 2 awards given to him by the Indian government. What is the record set by him? Okay, I will tell you the answers for this. Now let's see. Identify and name the following equipments and things used by cricketers. If you know how to play cricket or if you like watching cricket, then you must be familiar with these equipments. What are these? These are hand gloves, bat and ball, stumps, and this one is helmet. Name 5 indoor games: chess, Scrabble, Ludo, Carom and Dart. Indoor games, and these are outdoor games. Outdoor games which you play outside: cricket, throw ball, kho-kho, volleyball and football. Okay? So let's see the answers for these questions. Okay, the first question is, which club did Anil go to? Anil joined the Young Cricketers Club. Which club? Young Cricketers Club. Next question is, what has Anil Kumble studied? What has Anil Kumble studied? He is a qualified mechanical engineer. He is a qualified mechanical engineer. Third one is, name 2 awards given to him by the Indian government. He has been honored with the Arjun Award and the Padma Shri Award by the Government of India. Now the last question is, what is the record set by him? He set a new world record by taking all 10 wickets in a single inning against Pakistan. So this is enough for today's class. So what you have to do, you have to write down these question answers and exercise in your notebook, and whenever it is needed to write in textbook, you have to write in textbook as well. So in next class we will learn grammar part, that is subject and predicate. So we will meet in next class. Till then, study well and take care and write down all these exercise. Okay, bye.